beauty babes, what is up guys? Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video I did an Angel of Darkness makeup look. I've done angel looks in the past. I did one off of the Charlie's Angels Not Your Angel song by Ariana Grande, Lana Del Rey, and Miley Cyrus. Is it Del Rey or I don't know how to pronounce her name, I'm really sorry. I don't want to say it wrong. But yeah, I think it turned out really good. I love it. I love the lip color. It took me so long to find the right lip color, guys. Like, I'm not even kidding. It just, none of them were right. And then I finally found it and it looks gorgeous. Look at her, she's cute. So yeah, if you guys like to achieve this look or watch it just because it's really satisfying, then just keep on watching. Okay, beauty babes, so the first thing I'm doing is pulling out my mini Hoola bronzer, and I'm obviously just gonna be doing my bronzer like I do in every freaking video. Well, almost every video, but yeah. I love doing that, okay? Yeah. You can unsubscribe. Anyway, just pulling out my no gosh. Now I'm just pulling out my Morphe 39S Such a Gem palette. First I'm going to the color Treasure Trove and just putting that on my crease. And now just to lighten up the look a little bit for the, obviously because the wing is going to be like super dark, I'm going to be going into the color To the Crown and putting that on my eyelid, really blending the two colors together. And now I'm just going into the color Pearlfection and putting that on my brow bone. Such a cute name. I'm going to be working on my liner. We're not going to be doing the wing just yet. I'm going to do my under eyes after this, but I'm just going to be doing regular liner and then doing the inner corner of my eye. I'm going to be doing a cat eye. And now we're just going to be doing our under eyes, so I'm just pulling out my NYX Professionals eye pencil in the color black and just obviously putting this on my waterline. So now it is time for our under eyes, so I'm going to be going back into the color Treasure Trove and putting that on the outer corner of my under eye. And then I'm going back into the color Take the Crown and putting that the rest of the way underneath my eye. Oh, this is the part that I'm very scared for, like very scared for. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna be pulling back out my NYX Professionals, that is the point eyeliner, and I'm just gonna kind of zoom in first, cause duh. I feel like it's just like a tradition to make a funny face when I'm zooming in. It's just like an Alice and Diane thing now. Hello. Okay, so what I'm doing is I'm just gonna be taking my eyeliner and going to where my crease is kind of almost to end and going on top and putting a little dot there. So mine is right there. And then I'm just going to be connecting the liner to that dot. And the reason why we're doing this is because we're going to be using this line to make a wing. So now that we have that made, I'm going to be dragging it up. And this is where you can do just whatever you feel like doing. I'm going to get creative with it. I'm just going to be dragging up and then making an angel wing shape. I personally like that shape. I feel like it's good. And then now what I'm going to do is I'm going to be going back into the color Treasure Trove. That is not English. That's hard to say. Treasure Trove. Treasure Trove. That is very hard to say, okay? It actually is. Treasure Trove, and putting that in the area where the wing is, just because we obviously don't want the wing to be black because then you won't be able to see the detail. I'm kind of just going to be drawing details, so I'm going to draw out like little fans, like just draw lines out to make like a fan with the black liner. So I feel like that would look really good and would like kind of give it a little bit more detail. Okay, and then now what I'm going to do is I'm kind of going to just draw lines like so. And connect them. Okay, and I feel like, oh my gosh, it looks so cool. Now I'm gonna kind of just draw like little raindrop to represent like little like tiny feathers. Guys, look what I did! I have been wanting to do this look for so freaking long. I'm just like a fat girl. Guys, look at me, look at me. Okay, now I'm gonna be pulling out my white liner. I'm gonna be very delicate, but again, we might just go over it with a gray if it's too light, but I'm just gonna do a little bit more detail with it. And then I'm gonna do some detail just outlining the little tiny feathers. It just helps it pop out more, you know? Should I be studying? Probably. Do I care? No. However, if you do have a test, you should probably be studying instead of watching this video. But if you need like a little break and you want to watch it like, you know, during your break, then like totally watch my videos because like, you know, you should also subscribe while you're at it. Just like, you know, yeah. Anyway, just promoting myself right now. Oh my gosh, I'm zooming in. I do that all the time. I love it. So I'm gonna go do the other eye and then we will do everything else. Now we're gonna be getting into some blush, and I am pulling out my Maddie Morphe Lip and Cheek Mousse, and this is in the color Very Good. And I like this color because it's more on the darker side, like this look. And yeah, I honestly am very happy with how this look is turning out. Like, it looks so good. So I'm pulling out the Becca highlighter in the color Pearl, and I'm obviously just gonna be doing my highlighter. I didn't really know what other color to use because like I just really didn't. Like, what color should I, like, I don't think that, like, I can't use like a gold. Like, I feel like silver and black is like Angel of Darkness vibes, you know? I don't want to take this off. I'm gonna have to take this off, and it's gonna be like so sad. Like, half of the time whenever I do these looks, I literally wear them for like 4 hours just doing nothing in my house, and then it comes to time where I'm like, I don't want to remove it, guys. Like, it's a part of me. I can't leave it behind. Also, I look really cute. This is Morgan's dress. Shout out to Morgan. I love you. So now we are moving on to mascara, and I'm just gonna be pulling out my Better Than Sex mascara. We love a good dramatic lash, especially with a good dramatic look. Where is my brush? Guys, I literally just had it. Oh, I found it. So now we're moving on to sparkles. I'm gonna be using the black ones and just putting them underneath my eye. Okay, and now we're moving on to lips. So I'm gonna be pulling out my Too Faced Melted Matte Liquefied Lipstick in the color Why Not and Lady Balls. And I'm just gonna be mixing these together, starting with putting the Why Not color on my lips. And I feel like this is a little bit too dark just because the eyes are really dark, so I'm going to be obviously taking the Lady Balls color out. And I'm just going to take a brush like so and just apply it to my lips using the brush. Okay guys, and now the last thing I'm doing is obviously taking out my Anastasia Dewy Setting Spray. That's always so refreshing to do. I don't know why. I think it's like the sound effect, the little clicky noise. It's really fun. Okay, video babes, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like, share, and subscribe. Comment down below if you have any video requests or view requests or scene requests or anything like that, and I'll try my hardest to do them. If you'd like to follow me on my social media, it'll be located in the end card, and it'll also be linked down below, along with my last video, which is actually playing in the end card as well. I just forgot what I was gonna say. Along with the subscribe button, you should definitely subscribe to my channel because I post a lot of really fun content and do really cool makeup looks like these, and they're just really entertaining to watch in my personal opinion, so definitely subscribe to me. And yeah, I think that is all I have to say. So bye bye, beauty babes, love you. Happy spooky season. Doing it all night, all summer, doing it the way I wanna. Yeah, I'ma dance my heart out till the dawn, but I won't be done when morning comes. Doing it all night, all summer, gonna spend it like no other.